Looking for a natural way to boost your health, clear your skin, and support digestion all in one cup? Then guava leaf tea might be your new favorite herbal secret. This is a powerful herbal tea that has been trending in the wellness circles. Packed with antioxidants and healing compounds, it's a simple remedy with powerful results. So if you struggle with bloating, acne, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, or just want a natural health boost, you need to watch this till the end. So here's how to make guava leaf tea. The ingredients you'll need are a handful of fresh or dried guava leaves, washed of course, 2 cups of water. Boil the water in a pot. Add guava leaves and let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here are 10 amazing health benefits of guava leaf which you will get by just drinking this. Number 10, it will clear your skin. 9, it will aid digestion. 8, it will balance your sugar level in your body. 7, it will burn belly fat. 6, it will boost your immunity. 5, it will fight bacteria. 4, it will soothe whatever cramp you're having. 3, it will freshen your breath. 2, it will reduce stress in your body. 1, it will improve your sleep quality. Strain into a cup and allow to cool slightly. Now, here's an optional tip. You can add honey or lemon for taste. You can enjoy warm or cold. Any way works perfectly.